Good night. My name is Lucia del Carmen Bernet Caraballo. In this work, I will make a brief presentation of a person routine using possessive adjectives. He is my husband. His name is Gerson Octavio Luna Gloria. He is 42 years old. We live in the city of Cartagena. From Monday to Friday, he gets up at 5 in the morning, takes a bath, brushes his teeth, dresses, and has a cup of coffee. He likes coffee alone. His profession is a metal worker for industrial plants, and his work is located on the outskirts of the city. On the weekend, he likes to play soccer with his friends, and his spare time he watches TV, the news, and sport. He is passionate about motorcycling, and he has red motorcycle. Every end of the year, we plan a family outing with our two children. Well, I have finished my short presentation. I thank you for your attention. Listen, thank you.